Hey, welcome to the course. This is Dataform Zero to Hero, enterprise-level analytics. Whether you're coming from messy SQL workflows or you're just getting started with enterprise tooling, this course will give you a repeatable, scalable approach to analytics. My name's Barak, and I've been working in data and tech for over 5 years. I've built analytics solutions for global companies, mostly in the retail sector, and I've worked across tech, data, and product roles to actually ship impact. Right now, I'm part of the H&M Group, where I help design and deploy large-scale analytics workflows. And through my venture, Luminova, I'm building content to make real-world data skills more accessible and modular. In this course, you'll learn how to build modular, production-grade pipelines using Dataform. You'll learn how to use GitHub for version control in an analyst-friendly way. We'll work with a real dataset, the Look e-commerce, to model KPIs, build logic, and validate our work with assertions. And by the end, you'll know how to deploy your pipelines and hook them up to Power BI for real reporting. If you're working in data or tech and want to apply enterprise standards, you're in the right place. If you're preparing for your next analytics role and want hands-on, project-based learning, this is for you. If you're tired of messy queries and want to work smarter, welcome. This course is going to teach you how to think, build, and deliver like a pro. Let's get started.